going to show you how to set up and connect your Brevo to your workflow in such a way that you can carry out these actions like create contact, update contact, delete contact from your workflows on your Brevo account automatically. So we have some basic steps that we are going to show you how to install and how to connect, how to get API keys and whatsoever. So let's get started. So you log into your GHL plugin and you go to workflow apps. Under workflow apps now you're going to search for SendinBlue under the available apps. So you search for SendinBlue under available apps, and when you click on SendinBlue, it's going to take you to a window where you are going to select the agency to install the service on. Now, if you don't have your agency connected already, it's going to open the redirect login page for you to connect your agency. When that is done, you can select the agency, you allow this, you can see it's asking for access to sub accounts and for automatic future installations. So when you're done with these two checkboxes, you proceed. It's going to complete your installation and will automatically redirect you to here. Now, in order to proceed with this, the installation has been done already on your agency and sub accounts. We have to link our Brevo to the app because the app needs a specific Brevo account to communicate with. Now, we are going to show you step by step how to get what is necessary from your Brevo and set up this. But first, we need to add a custom menu link. So, for those who are installing this app as their first app from Workflow Actions, you would need to add a custom menu link. If you've had the custom menu link added already once, then you don't need to go through this particular step for now. So for those who are new, you need to click on here to copy. You go to your agency. So you switch to agency view. I guess most of us know how to add a custom menu link, but for the benefit of doubt, we are going to do that as a step-by-step process. So now we go to create new. We're going to select the icon for our custom menu link we are creating, and we are going to put in a name, and we are going to paste in the link we copied from GHL plugin earlier. Here we don't need to show an agency. Then here we need to select either we are showing on particular accounts or on all accounts. So we select our preferences and all and set them up, then we save. When that is saved, custom menu link has been created, and now we are ready to use. We need to switch to our sub account and make sure that the sub account has access to that custom menu link. In this sub account, we search for that custom menu link that we just added. So we are going to click on here, access the custom menu link. We are going to search under available app. The reason why I am searching under connected apps is because I have connected this app already, but I'm going to show you it's pretty easy how to connect it. So you switch to apps available and you search for the name of your app, which is Blue. Now you click on that. It's going to require the API key. So how do you get the API key? Connect to your Brevo account. You go to the profile drop down and you click on SMTP and API. Here you switch to the API keys, and you can see I have some APIs. You need to create a new one because this is a one-time copy. So you create a new one, you add the name, generate, and now you copy this. So if you need to use this on several places, you just need to save this to a clipboard, because once you save, the copy can't be done again, you lose it. So we copy that, we come back here and we paste the API key, then we submit, then our app has been connected automatically and successfully. So we have gone through the installation, the setup and the connection. Now it's time to show you how it works. You just simply go into your workflow, to automation workflows, and you can use this as every other actions that you have in your workflows. Make sure that you have the right account open. Now we are in the workflows, show you how to get them. Just as every other action, you can search from here. And I'm going to do a quick search with this sending blue service. Awesome. So these are the various actions that we can carry out using our workflows directly on sending blue. So we can delete a list, we can create a list, we can delete a folder, we can update a folder, we can create a folder, we can delete contacts, we can update contacts, we can create contacts on SendinBlue right from our workflows. So this is extraordinary. And I hope that this video was helpful while going through the process. If you have any issue, maybe setting up, or you missed a step, or you have a misunderstanding, or you have any issue with an action, let us know, and support will get to you. If you need to book a call to clarify things, then that will be done. So thank you very much. Talk to you soon.